If you're looking for the best outdoor gas stove, you're in the right place. Whether you're planning a camping trip, a picnic, or just need a reliable outdoor cooking solution, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 outdoor gas stoves that combine efficiency, durability, and portability to make your outdoor cooking experience hassle-free. We'll explore their features, benefits, and why they stand out in the crowded market, ensuring you get the best bang for your buck. We've spent hours researching hundreds of products so you don't have to. From fuel efficiency to ease of use, we've considered every factor to help you make an informed choice. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which stove is perfect for your next adventure. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to find these products and start upgrading your outdoor cooking game today. Number 5. BRS Outdoor Gas Stove. Camping Gas Burning Folding Stove Cooking Portable Foldable Split Stove, 3240W. The BRS Outdoor Gas Stove is a compact and highly portable option for campers on the go. Made from durable stainless steel, it's designed to withstand outdoor conditions while delivering a reliable cooking experience. With a powerful 3240W output, it boils water quickly and accommodates various cooking needs. Its split structure makes it stable on uneven surfaces, and the manual ignition ensures simplicity, although it lacks a built-in ignition device. This stove is perfect for budget-conscious adventurers who value portability and simplicity. While it's lightweight and easy to set up, it doesn't include wind protection or an ignition device, which might require carrying additional accessories. Overall, it's a great choice for lightweight camping trips. Number 4. PACOONE Tourist Burner Camping Windproof Gas Stove. The PACOONE Tourist Burner stands out for its windproof design and built-in ignition device, ensuring hassle-free operation even in breezy conditions. Built from stainless steel, this portable stove is robust enough for extended outdoor use and supports cooking for 3 or 5 people. Its foldable structure makes it easy to carry, while its strong fire output ensures quick cooking. This stove is ideal for families or groups looking for a reliable cooking solution for picnics or camping. While it lacks a windshield, its windproof mechanism compensates well in moderate conditions. The integrated ignition adds convenience, though it might be bulkier compared to ultralight options. Number 3. Hiking Gas Stoves Outdoor Picnic Stove Fire. Maple Ultralight Portable Stainless Steel Gas Furnace FMS 1018. The Fire Maple FMS 1018 is an ultralight and compact stove built for high-altitude adventures. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, while its split design offers stability during cooking. With a high heat output, this stove excels in fast boiling and supports cooking for up to 5 people. Though it doesn't include a built-in ignition device, its lightweight nature makes it a favorite among backpackers. This stove is perfect for hikers and climbers needing a reliable cooking companion in challenging environments. While it lacks wind protection and automatic ignition, its efficiency and portability make it a worthy contender for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 2. Boundless Voyage 3500W Camp Gas Stove. The Boundless Voyage 3500W stove is a high-powered solution for outdoor cooking. Made from lightweight aluminum alloy, it offers durability without adding unnecessary weight to your gear. Its one-piece design and built-in ignition device ensure quick setup and operation, while the 3500W output allows for fast and efficient cooking. This stove is perfect for campers who want a balance of power and convenience. While its aluminum construction is lightweight, it may not be as robust as stainless steel options. Nonetheless, it's a reliable and portable stove for those looking for a high-performance cooking solution. But when it comes to using the aluminum stove, while the research is unclear on how long its real-life element will last on the market. Number 1. Fire Maple Buzz Mini Portable Outdoor Stove. The Fire Maple Buzz Mini takes the top spot for its ultralight, compact design and impressive efficiency. Made from stainless steel, it's both durable and stable, making it ideal for high-altitude and rugged conditions. With features like fast boiling, portability, and a built-in ignition device, this stove is perfect for campers who demand reliability. This stove is an excellent all-round choice, combining efficiency, ease of use, and portability. While it doesn't include wind protection, its compact and ultralight design makes it easy to pack and set up, ensuring a seamless cooking experience during any outdoor adventure.